Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the app version and platform so your changes apply correctly. Once done, open the app and go straight to Appearance, Display, or Theme. These are the controls that govern fonts. Make sure to note or export any custom theme values. This preserves your current look if you need to revert. Now, select text or font color to access the selector. This initial preparation prevents surprises and saves time when you change color swatches or enter hex codes. Now you'll pick the color itself. Use swatches, a color wheel, or type a hex or RGB value to be precise. While selecting, preview on both light and dark backgrounds to verify readability and consider contrast ratios for accessibility. Then choose the scope, apply the color globally, or limit it to headings, body text, or captions. After applying, test different screens and orientations to confirm consistency. If the app supports themes, save a named theme so you can reuse or tweak the color later. Finish by saving or exporting the theme so the font color persists across sessions. If changes don't appear right away, restart the app, and if needed, clear cache or force reload the UI to refresh assets. Make sure to test readability on all key screens. If something breaks, revert to your backup values or theme. Finally, if issues persist, contact support and provide app version, platform, and the exact hex or RGB values used. This helps them reproduce and resolve the problem efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.